Hey, what's going on, guys? Yeah, it's Jimmy, and today I finally got a chance to work on my car again. And I'm sure some of you already noticed, so in my previous videos, in my driving videos, so there's some clunking noise, a squeezing noise in my cabin. So today I'm trying to sort it out and trying to find out where the noise are and trying to get rid of them. So let's get started. Yeah, and I actually already removed the inner tailgate cover, so the plastic cover. You see, before I used a lot of foam pad trying to stop the squeezing, but I think the noise is not coming from the tailgate. Because after I removed it, I did a test drive again. So the noise is still there. The squeezing noise somewhere. So I'm trying to find out some other ways to see what's going on. So if you guys have a similar experience, maybe you can let me know what did you find. So where's the noise coming from? Because that's probably a common issue. So I think I find the other way to find the noise. So let's just try to simulate. So for example, if I'm driving the car and the boat is shaking, so I try to give it a little bit movement. You can see? So you have to do this. So that's the exact noise when I'm driving, so coming from the boat. See that squeezing noise? So I'm just trying to find out where is it. I think it's probably somewhere around the lock. Okay, let's do some more shaking. See, here's another noise coming from this side. Yes, that's exactly no. All right. So what I'm gonna do, so I'm gonna try to do something on the door latch, or the lock latch. All right, let's open the tailgate again. So I'm gonna put something, maybe use some duct tape around here, or what do you think? Yeah, so I think the noise maybe is from this panel touching this. So I'm gonna put some foam pad on each area. So each point, one foam pad. So in the middle, I'm gonna try to do a temporary solution first. Just put something here. See if the noise is gone. Apparently it's not gonna lock right now. But I think I have some progress. Yeah, I think I probably already find out the solution. So because the foam pad act like a spring to push the tailgate up, so it's not gonna falling down. Let's try again. So if you hear now, yeah, I think the noise is pretty much gone. And also no squeezing noise again. Still some plastic thing, maybe around the edge. Let's try to put something here. So now it's kind of like a spring, so when I open the tailgate, it pop out. Let's put one more thing around here. So let's get a small one. So this one is just a temporary solution. So hopefully it's gonna work well. Alright, so I'm gonna do it this way, and I'll go for another test drive, see if the noise is still there or not. I'm sure it's pretty much already gone, so. Drive, so you can see the noise pretty much gone. And so next time if you have a similar experience, so you can try to put some form pad in the location and see if it's gonna improve or not. So hope you guys enjoy the video, and see you next time. Yeah, just like that. You can put some more if you want.